OAC has joined the Bengal Babri bandwagon. OAC goes to Bengal Babri MLA MM to rather ally with Humayun Kabir Mosque Brigade and also challenge Mamata Banerjee. OAC will also MIM will also contest Bengal elections. MIM has said that OAC will camp in Murshidabad. OAC party now eyes Muslim majority seats, and that's the news coming in at this point of time, that OAC has joined Bengal Babri bandwagon. MIM has said that OAC will camp in Murshidabad. Let's just take a listen to the reactions on this.
हाल ही में तृणमूल कांग्रेस के एमएलए को सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है, हुमायूं कबीर को। एक बार वो कांग्रेस के साथ भी थे, उसके बाद बीजेपी, अब तृणमूल कांग्रेस। एक स्ट्रॉन्गमैन है मुर्शिदाबाद के, और उन्होंने काफ़ी ओपनली कहा है कि उन्होंने असदुद्दीन ओवैसी से बात किया है फ़ोन पे और चाहते हैं कि आपके पार्टी के साथ अलायंस करने के लिए। क्या उनके लिए दरवाज़ा ओपन है?
देखिए, मुर्शिदाबाद में हुमायूं कबीर साहब का जो स्टेटमेंट आया है उनका मेरी पार्टी के लिए, असदुद्दीन साहब के स्टैंड के ऊपर, तो मेरी बात भी उनसे हुई है। हम लोग ये बातचीत चल रहा है और असद साहब से ही बातचीत चल रही है हमारी। हुमायूं कबीर साहब चाह रहे हैं MIM के साथ में गठबंधन हो, क्योंकि असद साहब का जो चेहरा है पूरे हिंदुस्तान में, और जिस तरह आपने बिहार इलेक्शन देखा उसका लेके, तो हम लोग खुद चाह रहे बंगाल में कि उनके साथ हम लोग कुछ सीटों पर हमारा समझौता हो। और आखिरी फैसला असदुद्दीन साहब का है। पहले वो 22 तारीख को पार्टी बनाएं हुमायूं कबीर साहब, उसके बाद फिर डिसीजन करेंगे कि कहाँ जाना हमें, लेकिन ये फैसला असद साहब का ही होगा आखिर में वो क्या चाहते हैं।
All right, and that was Imran Solanki speaking to NDTV. Another sort of breaking news coming at this point of time is that OAC has joined the Bengal Babri bandwagon, and Imran Solanki has said that he met Humayun Kabir in Murshidabad. MIM will rather ally with Humayun Kabir. It's the Mosque Brigade challenge to Mamata. MIM will be contesting the Bengal elections. And in that conversation, exclusive conversation to NDTV, AIMIM Bengal President Imran Solanki clearly said that Babri Masjid is going to be a big talking point in Bengal polls. This will have an impact in minority-dominated districts. He also goes on to say that it will be a tough election for Mamata Banerjee this time, because the Bengal Chief Minister has flip-flopped on SIR, Waqf bill that minorities have taken note of, and she has also ignored minorities in her state. And this is the Mosque Brigade challenge to Mamata Banerjee right now at this point of time. In that exclusive conversation which you just heard with NDTV, AIMIM Bengal President Imran Solanki clearly said that we will fight elections in Malda, Murshidabad, North Dinjapur, South Dinjapur and Birbhum. For more on this, my colleague Shreyashi is now joining me. Shreyashi, get us up to speed in that exclusive conversation you had with AIMIM Bengal President Imran Solanki, who has clearly challenged Mamata Banerjee.
Well, that's right, and this is the first time AIMIM has spoken out from West Bengal regarding these plans with Humayun Kabir, making it very clear that they are open for an alliance. A meeting has also taken place in Murshidabad, where the Babri Masjid is being constructed, and of course this signals at an alliance between AIMIM and the party Humayun Kabir is going to be launching on the 22nd of December in Murshidabad in his constituency. Now, he no longer belongs to the Trinamool Congress, and he is, politically muscle flexing in his constituency. And now with AIMIM support, where the AIMIM state president Imran Solanki, while speaking to NDTV, has made it very clear that talks are on with OAC. What we have understood that they're looking at about 90 seats that they would be contesting here in West Bengal. The districts that they are looking at is Malda, Murshidabad, Uttar and Dokhin Dinajpur, as well as Birbhum district, all minority minority-dominated district, out of which in Malda and Murshidabad, it's a majority of minorities there. And with this alliance, we'll have to wait and see whether it has any political impact on the Trinamool Congress, considering that these are Trinamool Congress bastion here in West Bengal. But the AIMIM very keen on joining hands with Humayun Kabir once his party is launched on the 22nd of December, which of course signals at a sizable amount of minority vote going towards this alliance, and could spell some trouble for the Trinamool Congress in time to come. Back to you.